Welcome to the Art of Mill channel, and this is the Cylon Pocket Mill Center with full 5-axis function. Now, what do you need to know about the Pocket 5-axis mill? First of all, the price. If all you need is basic 3-axis milling, our entry-level B3 mill runs $9,999, under 10 grand. It's capable of machining aluminum, and we can even run titanium on it too. Try to beat that. The other thing is the size. Check out the size of this machine. Super compact. Actually, it's probably smaller than your average household fridge. Now, what does that mean? That means if your workshop isn't on the ground floor, you can haul it right in the elevator up to your office. This is a machine you should be looking at. Also, the price is attractive for a first-timer. So is the size. If you want to put this thing in your garage or maybe a shed, not only does this run on 3-phase power, you can also run it on single-phase power. Okay, so knowing all of that, you probably think that this is a hobby machine, right? Not the case. Check it out. Hey buddy, check this out. The Cylon 120's got tons of upgrade tiers, starting from the base B3, B3 Plus, then B5, B5 Pro all the way up to the B5 Max. IT takes full HSK-25 tool holders across the entire lineup, so you'll keep consistent machining accuracy after every tool change. Comes stock with a quiet electric spindle topping out at 30,000 revolutions per minute, but no worries if that isn't fast enough. You can bump up to the max variant with an ultra-high-speed 45,000 revolutions per minute spindle instead. You might also notice it's built as a horizontal design, and surprise, it even comes with an integrated tool changer inside. Yep, it's fitted with an 8-station high-speed servo tool carousel, and the Max model bumps that all the way up to 23 stations. It's got our exclusive patented Halo cooling setup, letting you run 5-axis aluminum work right on this machine. And if you need to step it up, you can even machine titanium with 5-axis cutting too. Want to know what else? The CNC control system. And I'll say it again, even with this budget-friendly price tag, you're getting full industrial-grade 5-axis machining controls plus standard off-the-shelf industrial components. It's the exact same CNC setup and core components you'd find on those bigger 400, 500 and upsize 5-axis machines. Not a single control feature gets cut, and the Cylon also handles high-speed rigid tapping with ease. Every single lead screw and linear guide is standard industrial stock. Same goes for all the switches. No odd custom-made parts anywhere, which keeps your future maintenance costs nice and low. Speaking of, let's look at the control cabinet. Hey buddy, take a look inside. All the internal electrical components in the control cabinet look identical to what you'll see on full-size 5-axis mills. Same components, same drives, same circuit boards, every last piece is identical. All in all, the Cylon's a pocket horizontal machining center that punches way above its size. For more details on our Pocket Cylon 125-axis machining center, head over to our site www.hcnc-group.com and search for Cylon. Thanks for your time.